Hello, friends. Running Kimono here, a midweek haul over at Walgreens, and oh my goodness, this was a triple stack. $13 moneymaker with a lot of magic and razzle dazzle. Before we dive into the deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and like this video, and if you watch my videos but you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button today. It would really mean a lot to me. Okay, so before I hop into the deals, I just want to clarify something. I think I was saying that this was 49 cents for this share size M&M mint flavored. It's actually $1.29. So that's what happens sometimes when you're recording videos at 6 o'clock in the morning and doing extreme couponing in your basement. You get too hyper and you make some mistakes. So like this video if you've ever made a mistake. That's stupid. And to those who I confused on Monday, I apologize. I know a lot of you scored the candy, so that is amazing. Okay, so let's hop right into this triple stack. What a triple stack is when three boosters align, and it's magic. So I had the top one, which came out of the Catalina machine, 9 back when you spend 40. I had a digital, 7 back when you spend 25 on general merchandise, and the other one from a couple weeks back, 7 back when you spend 25 on dental care. Now, digital boosters are of a one-time use, and I had not used them, so that's why I was able to stack all of them for my basket. To show you my basket, I have 3 Dial body washes that are on a promotion this week, and then 3 of the Listerines that are also on another promotion this week. And we're going to jog through all of these items one by one. The first is I got 2 of the $9.99 Listerine Cool Mints. I think they're like 1.5 liters, and then one of the fancier ones for $10.99. Now that lavender one. The deal with Listerine till Saturday is when you spend 10, you're getting $5 back in Walgreens cash. So that alone is like 50% back, which is really fantastic. However, the parent company of Listerine, which is Johnson & Johnson, they have some sort of a promotion that when you spend 30 on their products, you're going to get a $10 Visa gift card. So if you go to this website right here, it's $10 back when you spend 30. I had no coupons, so I was able to qualify for that. So that's pretty fantastic any way you slice it or dice it. And thank you to everybody who reminded me of this website in my video yesterday. I also grabbed 3 of the dials, and they are 2 for $7, and when you buy 3 of them, you get back a $5 register reward, so that's quite fantastic. Now, adding a little bit of frosting to this cake, there's also a digital coupon, which is a 2 off a 2, so it'll apply to the first 2. So that's a little bit of savings for you. Nothing wrong with that. So looking at my basket, I got the 3 Listerines for $30.97, and then 3 of the Dial body washes for $10.50. The third one, in fact, rings up 50% of the sale sticker price, and I'll show you that in a quick second for those that are getting really turned around with that. My total was $41.47, and I got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend 40, plus I had those 2 digital boosters loaded to my store card. I had my one $2 chintzy digital coupon melting off. With my debit card, I paid $39.47, got back $38 in Walgreens cash, one $5 register reward, and a $10 Visa gift card courtesy of Listerine. So it made the basket free, plus a $13.35 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, so for a lot of you that are like, hey, that's a really nice basket, but you paid way too much out of pocket, I hear you. Now, if you might have some of these manufacturer register rewards, I would throw some of them into the basket. And this is like $14 right here in manufacturers. And how I know I can use them is the top, it says manufacturer. So for example, for that Listerine, you wouldn't be able to qualify for that gift card, but you would get $14 off, and these would attach to all of them. So this is just a really smart way. And because it says manufacturer, it's not like a store register reward. It will scan and work for you to get your boosters. The next question that a lot of people were getting turned around with was about the dial. Everybody was saying, hey, you have that wrong. The third one's not going to ring up for $3.50. And then just to show you guys here, yes, it does ring up for $3.50, the third one. And this is typically how it works. Even though it's printed differently in the flyer, during a sales week, a third item will always ring up for the sales price at half cost. Okay, the next deal I want to talk about, and this is an excellent one, in the dollar spot at your Walgreens, and you know if you have one of these dollar spots, and honestly, I would start shopping the dollar spot because a dollar is so much better than $1.25. We're going to be looking for at least 4 or 6 of these Oral-B picks, these flossers. We have a digital coupon, which is a 6 off of 4, and it's working on these right now. Double, triple check the app that it's attaching and that your store has it. In store, you would grab 6. That digital coupon would come off, and you would just pay the tax, making it free for 6 of them. If you're trying to do this as a curbside, you can only add 4 to them to a basket. That digital coupon will reduce down to 0, and it essentially makes it for free. I know it's somewhat a tall order to track down 4 or 6 of these, but if you are in desperate need of floss picks, there's nothing better than free. I would try and make this deal happen. Another deal that I think is absolutely fantastic this week is the Complete Home freezer bags, sandwich bags. They have a snack bag. It is on a buy one, get 2 for free promotion at $2.79 for the first. So how this works is you'll pay for the first one and get 2 completely for free. And it's just a fabulous deal. I believe this is very similar to Ziploc. I mean, look where they have it merchandise right on top at Walgreens. They're really trying to promote their own. But it's a really high quality freezer bag or sandwich bag or whatever you're using this for. I know with back to school, a lot of parents are making sandwiches and, food to bring with your kiddos to school. So it's just a way to really bulk up. And when you're paying 93 cents for a box of like 20 of these, I mean, it's even cheaper than Dollar Tree. So definitely the week to stock up for these supplies. I love it when they have this. It's just a fabulous, fabulous deal. Another great deal this week is with the Dawn dish soap. They are $1.24 each. What you're going to do is grab 2 of them, and this is kind of like a concentrated dish soap, so you're like, hey, you're wasting money. No, you're not. It's a quality dish soap, and if you know about Dawn. Grabbing 2 of these, it's $2.48. I would throw in $2 in Walgreens cash, pay 48 cents, get back $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And remember, if you're just doing this deal on its own without a booster, absolutely you can roll that Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. To answer another quick question for those out there that might have this one, if you wanted to say buy 4 of them and do the deal twice, what I would recommend is to do it in 2 separate transactions so your register reward will print twice. The register reward will only print 1 per transaction. So if you want to do this twice, 2 separate transactions for this gorgeous friend to print out twice for you. Hopefully that's clear as mud. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.